Hello, my name is Arnold Shabdar. This video is for Management 16, section B00 for the assignment report on company code of conduct. Prompt is: I have read the code of conduct of the Lamborghini company and this is what it tells me about the company. In the first two sections, ethical leadership and environmental protection, they follow all the rules that have to be followed, and all of the employees showed leadership and become role models of peers. And it reminds me of the third simple model, which is integrity, what a good person would do. The reason for that is that they constantly give ethical examples to each other. Also, they're mindful of their environment. They always report all sorts of cheating to their supervisors and are very mindful about it. The company adopted the strategy titled Darziono Cortauri that targets electrification of the cars and decarbonization of production. With this strategy, the company aims to achieve 40% of reduction in CO2 emissions per car by 2030 and a total carbon neutrality by 2050. In the next section, employee representation. The interesting thing that I found about this section is that even though they are using the third simple of model, they are not using the first simple of model. Actually, instead of using it, they are listening and taking into account the opinions of every worker in order to make their partnership stronger, constructive, cooperative, and fair. For instance, on their official website, the company posts a series of videos called Lamborghini Generations United, which contain conversations between employees from various departments. Earlier this year, they hosted an event called Lamborghini Digital Race Hackathon, during which employees had an opportunity to cooperate and learn in order to tackle challenges using digital tools such as data and AI. The company has been certified top employer Italia for 11 consecutive years. And in the section security and protection of information, know-how, and intellectual property, and in the section data protection, in both of these chapters, both of them, they reminds me of the discussion that we had in the class about the protection of private information and how ethical it might be. Employees of the Lamborghini company are obliged to keep all the private knowledge and information of the company in the secret and not let anyone know about this, even to their family or friends. In the section prohibition of corruption and prohibition of insider trading, in my opinion, both of these sections are very similar, and the reason for that is that on one of the lessons we were discussing about the SMORC, simple model of rational crime. In those few lessons we talked about how to prevent a person from cheating. Also, in one of the experiments from the reading, it was mentioned that if we make people say code of integrity, they tend to cheat less. And so every employee in the company will definitely sign the contract of integrity before getting a job, which will prevent him or her from cheating. So I think it is quite familiar to the experience that I read about, and that's it.